50 no?
So 50.
Fixed price. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Reema and thank you for stopping by. So I'm all ready to head to Fancy Bazaar right now, and this time I'll be exploring the jewelry stalls out there. Normally we find very good jewelries and accessories there, but I wanted to go especially during this time because Saraswati Puja is around the corner, and that means there'll be more stalls and more options to buy from. So yeah, now let's head out and explore the market and see what all we can grab. So after reaching this point, I started with the stalls on the right side of the road. Ebor kiman hoy dada? Ha? 200. Eke dam na sob beleg beleg. Tinta line eke dam, etu aru etu 100. First tinta eke, eketa 100. Discount. Discount hobo na? Etu discount no, opore etu discount. Eketa 100 no? আৰু তলৰ কেটা 50 একেটা There are a lot of stores selling beautiful earrings around this time, and the price ranges somewhere between 50 to 200 rupees, but obviously there's always a scope for bargain. Is setbur kiman? Ebor 350. Ebor kiman? 350. Gute bor এইটো 350 ন এডাল কিমান হ'ব দাদা এডালো 350 সৰু মানে কোনবোৰ সৰু Next I went to these stalls which were right around a corner near Pick Me, and these stalls had some really amazing neck pieces and chokers. Dada edal kiman 200 aru edal edal ha edal sa $50 है फिक्स प्राइस 30 में नहीं होगा दीजिए ना
नहीं बचा हुआ है
क्या
80 बचा हुआ है दे नहीं पा रहा हूँ
ठीक है दे दीजिए टेबुल किमान दादा 100 सब 100 About 50 no?
So 50.
Fixed price.
Fixed price.
There was this stall which was selling this wide variety of sets which consisted of a necklace and a pair of earrings for 200 rupees. এইবোৰ কিমান হয়? Now I'll be showing you what all I shopped, but before that, if you want to buy beautiful earrings and neck pieces, then now is the time to go to Fancy Bazaar because there are a lot of temporary stalls right now because of Saraswati Puja, and with that a lot more options to choose from. And also try to go a little early because these temporary stalls are not allowed to sit the whole day. Now coming to the items, first I got this beautiful mirror choker. It has two black dhagas attached to it to tie it at the back, and I got it for 100 rupees. This is such a beautiful bohemian piece. I saw this one and I instantly bought it. This will be ideal for special occasions like weddings or pujas. I can also wear it with Indo-Western outfits. And this is such a standout piece that it will work well with even minimal makeup and clothes. Next I got this Ghungru choker. This one is also for 100 rupees and it's silver plated. And I love the quality of it. The silver is shining so beautifully. I can pair this one with so many outfits. I already have a few ideas in mind. And the good thing is that when you wear this kind of neck pieces, you don't have to wear earrings. The neck piece will enhance your look instantly. Now I have one last neck piece before I head to the earrings. Next I got this oxidized silver neck piece. This one is a little lighter than the previous ones and I got it for 80 rupees. I can wear it in special occasions and also it goes very well with casual outfits. Wear it to a wedding or wear it to work. This one will gel with everything. Now coming to the earrings, first I got this pair of silver earrings and I got it for 50 rupees. It's a jhumki with the small white beads hanging like so. I didn't have anything like this, so I decided to get it, and just in 50 rupees. Next I got this pair of black plated or black color earrings. It has this stone detailing in the middle. This kind of earrings are everywhere right now and I randomly got it because this is black and black goes with everything, and this one is also for 50 rupees. Next I got the one that I'm wearing. It's a silver hoop with this small silver beads hanging. I don't know what to call it. I saw this one and I was like, I need to get this because it's in the shape of a hoop and I love hoops, and 50 rupees again. And lastly, I got these two pair of hoops in silver and gold. These are great for everyday use and these were priced at just 20 rupees each, so I had to get it. I mostly got oxidized silver jewelry because I can multi-purpose with it, and I already have a lot of gold tone earrings and neck pieces and I do not wear those quite often. But the thing with silver jewelry is that apart from Indian outfits, it also goes well with Western and Indo-Western outfits. So yeah, that was my mini jewelry haul and I spent less than 500 rupees in all of these items, and I don't think I'm going to buy any more jewelry anytime soon. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below and tell me if you liked any of these items or what was your experience of jewelry shopping, and I'll see you super soon. Bye bye.